What's the meaning of aintree? Aintree. 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 Aintree is a suburb of Liverpool, England, located to the north of the city centre. The name aintree comes from the Old Norse language and means a farmstead near a forest. Today, Aintree is perhaps best known for being the location of Aintree Racecourse, which hosts one of the UK's most famous horse races, the Grand National. This annual event attracts thousands of visitors and is steeped in history and tradition. Aintree also boasts a range of local amenities, including shops, restaurants, and parks, making it a popular residential area.